So here's one little tip that I did not see on YouTube. Maybe I missed it, but my dishwasher wouldn't drain. And basically I did all the kind of things I've seen on YouTube as far as blow out the line, took everything apart to see what I can see if anything was obstructing it. And what I did not see was if you flip over your unit, or you can probably try doing it, you know, when it's right side up. But if you come down to here, you can see this little button here, which is kind of, it's like right underneath. It's like a little tiny push button. If you push that and you twist at the same time, this will open up and you can just hear that piece of glass that fell out. I put it back in just to show you. This basically was what was shutting my system down, because I believe when it feels the pressure, you know, there's water coming out, but at some point when it was supposed to do its major drain, it wouldn't drain anymore at the end. And I'm thinking that that probably set a sensor off that shut it down because it felt like there was an obstruction. So this is basically your motor where your propeller was in there, and I don't think it was stuck in that. Works fine, but by taking that off, opening it, there's that piece of glass that I couldn't find from one of the cracked glasses that I found prior to it breaking. So hopefully that will save you money, because it costed me $500 because I went out and actually bought a new one. But before I threw this away, I figured, you know, let's kind of see what's going on in there, and found out $500 later. So hopefully that'll save somebody. Thanks. Bye-bye.